Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Ginalyn Olivo, 38 years old, high school graduate. My height is 157 centimeter and my weight is 58 kilogram. Ma'am, sir, I am married, blessed with 4 children, and I came from Philippines. Ma'am, sir, I don't have any experience to work abroad, but I experienced to work here in Philippines for almost 5 years and 6 months. And I serve with 1 couple and 2 children, ages 4 years old and 2 years old. Ma'am, sir, my main duty is cleaning the house, cooking, washing, ironing, gardening, marketing, and most of all, taking care of newborn babies. Ma'am, sir, as your domestic servant, I will do my responsible. You can trust to me your house as well as your children, and I love them as my own. To my future employer, you can expect me that I am a good person, trustworthy, kind, honest, and respectful. And I will be patient to you, especially to your children. And I will follow the rules and regulations of your house. Ma'am, sir, I hope you choose me. Good day and thank you.